We will now write a small program and try it on Cadem CNC, which is a program simulation software. This is a simple small program to do a single cut along an angle. This is the beginning of the program with the program number. This is the cutting speed and direction and the limiting spindle speed. This line moves the tool at rapid to the start position for cutting. This line does the cutting and F is the feed rate. This line moves the tool rapidly away from the part. This is the end of the program. The program is now done. We now specify what the tool is. We'll check the program to see if it is correct. The software is telling us that there are some errors. We'll correct these. G500 has been entered instead of G50. No tool number has been specified. The end of program command is wrong. We check for errors once again and find that there are no errors. We can now see the toolpath simulation. This is the simulation in the filled mode with the full shape of the tool. This is the simulation in the solid mode. We will now see the simulation for a program with a can cycle. We'll just call an existing program. You can see the G71 commands and the few lines below it. These are the can cycle. We check the syntax and now we see the simulation. You can see in the simulation that all these motions are being performed as a result of this single can cycle command. From the CNC programs that you saw just now, you have probably realized that CNC programming is not a complex job. A lot of people think that programming is the main job in cutting a part on a CNC lathe. That if you just enter a program on the machine and press a button, the job gets done. This is wrong. Like this picture shows, programming is just one of the steps involved in cutting a part. There are multiple steps, each involving a lot of thinking. Only 20% of the thinking is in programming, while the rest is in other activities. These are the key messages from this lecture. These are the topics that we covered in this lecture.